Hi guys, welcome to my shave. I'm Alex. Thank you for dropping in. Today we're going to do a quick little shave here. I don't really need a shave. It's only about 2 days old, but I'm going somewhere, so I got to clean up a little bit. Anyways, let me show you what we're going to use today. I don't know if you guys saw my video the other day. I went to a thrift store and I picked up some look like brand new shave gel from Bulldog, and I paid $1.99. I looked online; it sells for about $6-7. So that was a good deal. We don't know how good it is. I heard some guys like it, some guys don't like it, but we're gonna check it out and see how it works. And then we're gonna be putting my pre-shave on, and then we'll use this for a post-shave. And then for our cologne, our aftershave, we're gonna put the Aqua Velva, and there you go. So we'll see how that works. We'll see how that's going to be gone. Today's razor and blade are the Rockwell 2C razor, and I got a Rockwell blade in there. Seems to work very well. Very happy. This is the 2C. Now they have the 6C and the 6S. The only difference between that and this one, you only get one plate with this one where you can adjust it to different cuts, I guess you might call it. It's set on 3 right now. I've got this one on 3. It goes from 1 to 3, 1 being less aggressive, 3 being a little bit more like medium. Then they have the Rockwell 6C and S have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So they give you 3 or 4 more little plates that you could change on there, and it becomes what they call an adjustable. But this is a kind of a semi-adjustable. You flip the plate over, it changes from 1 to 3. Right now, I'm been using it on 3. Very happy with it. We're gonna give that a shot. Our brush is heating up in our water, which is going to be my mini little Simpson. This is the small one. It's a Travalda T1. They call it T1. Nice little brush, all synthetic. We'll give that a shot in a minute. My mug, my coffee mug that I picked up again at a thrift store, but it's like brand new. I've got bunch of water, hot water in there to keep the lather warm. Now this lather, let me tell you, this lather, this gel, should I say, is supposed to be poured on your face when you got your face wet, and do it with your hands. I don't like that. And they say it goes on clear, and I don't like that either. So now I just put some in there. And now I'm going to heat up my face real quick. I'll be right back. I'll try to keep this short as possible on the washing and on the rinsing. Okay, the face is wet. Now we're gonna start doing the lather. See how this gel gels up into lather. I saw Ken Surf use it, and he used a brush with it, and he said he likes it better with the brush. He doesn't like to put it on his face with his hand either. So we're getting a little bit of a foam here. Not much, a little bit, but we're gonna have to work on it. Hope everybody's fine. Oh, gotta tell you guys, guess what? I've hit 41 subscribers. Wow. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate that very much. I never thought we were going to get off of 39. But by golly, thank you guys out there. I'm 41 and I'm very happy about it. And let's see if we can go to 42. Little by little, I'll be up there with Geo Fat Boy and Ken Surf and those guys out it. But anyway, now you see this stuff? It does foam up. You can see that. Not super duper, but it does seem to foam up. I'm going to give this a try just the way it is. That's about it. Let's see about that, how that works. That's nice and warm. I warmed up the bowl. The brush is great. The Simpson is a very good. I'm going to be getting me the larger Simpson brush in the Trafalgar 3, I think they call it. Yeah, to use the 3, the T3. I'm going to get that one. Let me see how this works. I can see better in this mirror than that mirror, which is the camera. This, it's okay. This is supposed to be green tea in there and aloe and something else I can't remember. But it's supposed to be very healing to the face. I'm getting all kinds of stuff on the. Hang on. Let's do it right. Okay. Now we can get back to work. We'll paint it on. Okay. Okay, that's it there. Let me get some of the soap off my shirt. I totally got soap on it. Okay, here we go, guys. Oop, I forgot my alum rock. Never leave home without your alum rock. It's good to keep that on your fingers when you grab your razor when it's wet. It gives you a better grip. Here we go. We're going to cut from here. That's it. Okay. 30-degree angle. It's kind of odd that when you go with your shaving in the camera, it seems to be going slower than I'm actually going. So it's kind of like slow motion. Kind of weird. Let's try the other side. You guys will get a good view from this side. I'll use this mirror. You guys use the camera. No, this Rockwell is a very, very nice razor. Recommend it highly. Really like it. The shaving cream is a little light, not heavy. Doesn't have much aroma. But I guess that's because it's like supposed to be that way. No smell. It's for the green environment. Oh, I got up this morning early. I didn't get up as early as I was supposed to get up, but I recorded it. King Charles inauguration. Not inauguration, what do you call it? Whatever, he got a crown on his head. It was quite interesting for a while, but to be honest with you, I got bored. It was a little bit on the boring side. Let's give us another shot here. I'm going to put some more of this shaving cream on. We're going to do a cross cut. You can still feel it. Okay. Leather's okay. Kind of light. Doesn't have very much of a smell, no aroma. Not really hardly anything. Maybe my smeller's not working. I don't know. Figure 8. Okay. We're going to do a cross cut. Here we go with the cross cut, guys. Here we go. Let's see. You know what I forgot to do? Forgot to put this on. It doesn't seem to need it. This thing's pretty slick. Well, that's interesting. Oh well. Live and learn. I don't think I'll ever learn. Okay, you know what's coming up now. One more on the cheeks. And we're going to be skimming the cap. Cap goes up like this. And we just skim it up. Skimming it up. That takes it right down. Okay, let's go to the side. Skipping the cap, boys. Okay, that's it for that. That skimming really does make a difference. Going up. Something like that. That feels good. Well, my opinion of the shaving cream, it's not bad. It's not the greatest thing I ever used. Doesn't have any smell. I kind of like to have some kind of aroma. But it's not bad in a pinch. It's okay. It sells for like $7 on Amazon. I got it for $2. I thought I'd give it a try. It's not all that bad. Let me wash up real quick and we'll finish up our shave. Hang on one second. Okay, you guys talk to yourself while I'm doing this. How's the weather out there? Well, it's raining in California. I can tell you that. Okay, that wasn't too long, I hope. But you know, time flies for us old guys. Okay. I was looking at a YouTube video. A young lady went to a estate sale, and she found a couple of salt shakers made in France. And she bought them, and she came home. She paid like, to be honest with you, I can't remember what she paid for them. Wasn't much. And they were like made out of pewter and have a grinder on it. Very, very nice, heavy duty. Looked like made out of pewter. They sold for like about, I think, $200 on eBay. So she was quite happy. Oh, there's another guy I watch. I think it's called Craig Craigslist Hunter, and he had like a pawn shop, but not really a pawn shop. He can't give you a loan, but he buys stuff. So he's like a pawn shop though, and he buys all kinds of stuff, and all kinds of characters come into his shop. And he's got this parrot that he talks to. He's got a cat that walks all over everything, and he's got like an accent. I don't know, it could be Ukrainian or something, or some little bit of an accent, but very nice guy. I like his show. You guys want to see it? I think it's called Craigslist Hunter. I should have made sure of that. But he buys, sells stuff, and it's pretty interesting. You learn a lot about stuff. It's like that pawn shop show they had in Vegas, but this is one little guy with a couple of people working for him. Not that big of a situation. But anyways, it was pretty good. I enjoyed it. But anyway, look, you guys take care. I do again appreciate. We're up to 41 subscribers. Really appreciate that. God bless you all for looking and listening and doing what you're doing. I want you to enjoy yourself. This is a good little shave. Uh, Let me put on my Aqua Velva. Aqua Velva. It's a good one. Okay, guys, take care. God bless you guys. We'll see you on the next one. This is Alex. We're out. Bye.